When I had my house painted, I got overspray on the windows, so today I'm going to show you how to get rid of it. As you can see, I've got thousands of little dots all over this window. Let's have a look at the products I'm going to use to get rid of them. I've got a Kirkland's microfiber towel, a razor blade scraper, and then Stoner's invisible glass, which I feel is one of the best glass cleaners out there. And just so you can see, the paint does not come off just using glass cleaner and wiping. It is on there good. So what I'm going to do here is take the invisible glass, spray it on liberally, and then take my scraping blade and just go up the window. You can hear it. And as you come back down, just move on over. You can just come on down, and you can hear all that paint coming off until it gets nice and smooth. There you go, you can hear it. You can hear all that paint. Then as you go back up and down, it's all coming off. And what the invisible glass does, it just helps that blade glide over the glass, but it softens the paint just slightly as well. You can hear all that paint on there. It's terrible. You can see every stroke, it's just coming straight off. Take the cloth, just wipe that over. You can see that is so much better. There's the paint dots, right here, all gone. So here you have it. One last spray of invisible glass. Give it a wipe over. You'll be able to see all that paint is gone and off the window for good. There you have it. Invisible glass, a metal blade scraper, and a microfiber towel. That's all it takes. Hey, thanks for watching, and I hope that helps you get the overspray off of your windows.